Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by confirming you own both accounts and that Prime benefits are active. This saves time. Sign into Amazon with Prime, then open Twitch in the same browser or app. Once signed in, make sure Twitch has two-step verification enabled. Twitch requires it for Prime benefits. Now, navigate to your Twitch profile settings while staying logged into Amazon. These steps remove access friction and let you link accounts smoothly without repeating sign-in or losing Prime eligibility. Next, go to Twitch settings and find connections. Choose the Amazon or Prime gaming option and click Connect. This sends an authorization request to Amazon. You'll be asked to pick the Amazon account with Prime. Choose carefully if you manage multiple accounts. Grant permissions so Twitch can verify Prime eligibility. Once authorized, Twitch will display your linked Amazon account in Connections. Make sure to refresh the page and watch for a confirmation banner so you know linking succeeded before proceeding to claim benefits. Finally, go to Prime Gaming and claim your monthly benefits. This includes a free channel subscription and in-game loot. After claiming, return to Twitch and apply the free sub to the channel you want. Click Subscribe, right arrow, use Prime. Make sure the subscription shows active. If something fails, log out and back in, confirm Prime billing isn't expired, and check that both accounts share the same country setting. If problems persist, revoke the connection and reconnect to force a fresh authorization.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.